Kawachako ni Philip Aroko, achich mitudo gi nek mar jaod bura makasi pulo ngondo were, koro wegira mbun ma shillings 1,300. Matoka pis ma Jamin Buche kwayo doho ndalo moko abiriyo mar medo dione kagidhi mbele kod nonro. Kaka jafomo marwa Nyakidilero, achije mamoka paga chiel pod dinegi ete sendo bila mopogore ka nonro pod dhi nyime.
Okinyi makawuono e doho ma JKIA boma ma Nairobi, achich Philip Aroko mitudo gi nek ma jaod bura makasi pulo ngondo were nodwoki. E nyim jang'ad bura Irene Gishobi, apis Jamin Buche no kwayo doho mondo mi omed ndalo abiriyo ma medo dinone Aroko wirani ne pok gitieko nonro margi. Aroko kata kamano no kwayo doho ndalo ariyo ponono ni imedo dinne.
He's essential that he is detained for these 7 days as we have requested. As in within that time, we'll have made a decision on his element of involvement. So that we can either come before you with a charge or request for release.
They've asked for 7 days, Your Honor. I'm still willing to cede it even to 2 days or 1 day, Your Honor, then I get billed.
Kaluwore gi Aroko, osebedo kotiyo machiegni gi apisas mag okwach kich e timo nonro kaka doho nochiwo chik.
When I was with a panel of investigation team, Your Honor, all of them from the top, they confirmed that I was of great help and I was compliant. So, Your Honor, I beg this court to consider my plea of abiding by the rules that will be set by this court.
The applicant confirms that the respondent has indeed been cooperative with the investigators, and as he has stated, and that is definitely a win for him.
Eng'eto mare, jang'ad bura Irene Gishobi owe Aroko gi rambun mar 300,000. Kata kamano, nitie moko kuom chike mochiwo ne Aroko, moting'o neno ni ok odhi limbe kaonti ma Homabay, chiwo boke mar wuoth ne doho ma JKIA e kind mamoko.
I will allow the applicant to continue with their investigations so far as the respondent before court is concerned. However, the same will continue when he is not in custody unless he is unable to meet the following conditions. 1. The respondent to deposit a cash bail of 300,000 shillings with two contact persons, one of whom must be a close blood relative. The respondent to deposit his passport with the court pending the currency of this matter. The respondent not to travel to Homabay County, being the home county of the deceased and his home county, during the pendency of this matter. The respondent not to contact family members or close relatives of the deceased. The respondent not to contact any of the suspects or respondents who have so far been arraigned in court.
Kochopo sani, achija par kod achiel mitudo gi nek mar ngondo were, podo dinegi ete sendo bila mopogore e boma ma Nairobi, machiwo thuolo ne apisas mag okwach kich kod apis Jamin Buche timo nonro margi kendo fwenyo gino manomiyo nek jaod bura makasi pul ongondo were. Bura mar Philip Aroko e wi nek mar ongondo were ibiro winj tarik 3 dwe mar auchiel higani. Nyakidilero, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.